Here's a WJ. See if we got a brake light switch in here. Oh, there it is. See it right there. Now, these come out. Just reach up here and twist and pull. And then see if I can get you set up here so you can see me pull it out. One try. See those little green little tabs? You gotta push those in, and then the switch will pull right out. I ain't gonna be able to set you up, but I'll try. Let's see if I can get you set up. There we go. All right. And there's the switch. Said they're $5 at this local U-Pull. Mine had folded out. I've been getting a short, blowing fuses.